Today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Today, I'm going to be customizing these bad boys, Jordan 1 mids, for my boy Mike Booker of Doc Love Clothing. He has no idea that I'm going to be customizing his shoes for his company today. What's up, guys? This is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art. If this is your first time on my channel, please like, comment, and definitely subscribe to get more content like this. Why am I doing it? Why am I doing it? Because he's been my boy for 40 plus years. He was there for me when my mom passed away. The reason why I started the whole channel in the first place. And a couple of weeks ago, I just recently lost my father due to the virus. And he was there for me again, expecting nothing in return. And hey, I want to celebrate him. So what I want to do, I want to do him this custom mid Jordan 1 with his company logo on the front. So let's get into the video. Wait. I'm gonna change this logo up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna change this logo up a little bit. Y'all know what to do. New merch coming soon. Now you can proceed with the video. Let's go.
Hey, what up? What up? Hey, what you doing right now?
On the Beltway, what's going down?
Hey, what time you can come through?
I'll be there about. I'm like by Pearland right now. Give me about 15-20 minutes. I'll be to you in about 20 minutes, bro.
All right, that's a bet. That's a bet.
All
right, later. Here you go. Check that out.
What you got, bro? You good?
Yeah, man. That's it, you, man. Hey.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, that's it, bro. That's it. That's it there. Yeah.
You see that, boy?
That's it there, bro. That's it there. Yeah, that's it there, bro.
That's it right there, huh?
That's it, bro. That's it.
Hey, them things was triple white, bro.
Yeah,
it was all white.
That's it there, bro. That's it there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it there, bro.
Hey man, listen. I just want to tell you, bro, real talk.
Yeah.
Man, thank you for just being there for not only me, but for everybody else that, you know what I'm saying?
All good,
so I
bro.
appreciate it, bro.
It's all good, bro.
You know?
Appreciate you, bro. Man, I love that. Yeah, that's him there, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's it there, bro.
Yeah, man.
Oh, man, yeah.
This was Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art and Customs now. In Customs. Man, listen, if you guys like that video, please feel free to like, comment, but definitely subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Hey, listen, subscribers, I will be giving away a pair of custom shoes, but only 2 subscribers. So I suggest that you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.